Hi everyone. In last lecture we have started a new chapter. The name is Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. Today we will discuss few points related to this chapter. The first is root mean square speed is defined VRMS. In last lecture we have discussed the equation of pressure of ideal gas. What is the equation of pressure of ideal gas? P is equal to 1/3 N upon V m V bar square. This is your equation of pressure of ideal gas. So now I rearrange this one equation. What I want V bar square equation. So I written in LHS. So V bar square is equal to 3 PV upon N. 3 PV upon N. You got it? So using ideal gas equation, what is ideal gas? Perfect ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. So I have written here PV is equal to nRT. So PV is equal to, you got nRT. So put PV's value here. So I got V bar square is equal to 3 nRT upon Nm. Just PV replaced by nRT. Okay. So next VRMS is equal to square root of V bar square. So I written here VRMS is equal to square root of V bar square is equal to in square root 3 nRT upon Nm. But we know that the number of mole is equal to N upon Na. N is equal to small n is equal to N upon Na. What is N? Capital N. Capital N is defined number of molecules. Capital Na is defined number of molecules for 1 mole. Number of molecules for 1 mole, and is also called Avogadro's number. So now VRMS is equal to, put the value N is equal to N upon N here. Then you got VRMS is equal to in square root 3 nRT, capital N is not a small n, nRT upon N suffix A into N into N. So now VRMS is equal to under root 3 nRT upon m0. m0 is defined molar mass. And this value is m0 is equal to Na into N. Avogadro's number into mass of molecules. Avogadro's number is also called number of moles for 1 mole. Okay. So I put the values of N and M. N will be cancelled. So Na, N suffix A into M is called M0 molar mass. So you got VRMS. The final value is VRMS is equal to under root 3 nRT upon M0. Okay. So now we have find out the speed of sound in a gas. Speed of sound in a gas is defined Vs is equal to gamma RT. Is equal to gamma RT upon M0. Gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv. Gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv and is called adiabatic ratio. So now I put Cp, gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv. So gamma's value is, gamma is less than here, but 3n is called gamma and is defined number of moles. So gamma is less than 3, then Vs is equal to, we got gamma RT, under root gamma RT upon M0, and gamma is called Cp upon Cv, and this ratio is called as adiabatic ratio. Okay. So next point is interpretation of temperature in kinetic energy. What is the next point? Interpretation of temperature in kinetic energy. Now we have find out the average kinetic energy, average total energy. Okay. So first we know that equation of pressure of ideal gas, P is equal to 1/3 N upon V m V bar square. So just I put V here, so I got PV. Just I put V in LHS. Then I got PV is equal to 1/3 Nm V bar square. PV is equal to, I want kinetic energy relation. So this is my kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. So I rearrange this. What I am saying, what I do? I divide and multiply by 2. I divide and multiply by 2. Then I got 2 by 3 n in bracket 1 by 2 m v square. When I solve this bracket, 2 will be cancelled. So you got again 1 by 3. Okay? You got this value. When 2 is cancelled, then you got 1 by 3 nm v bar square. So I want kinetic energy relation. So I separate this. Okay? So you got PV is equal to 2 by 3 n 1 by 2 m v bar square. 1 by 2 m v bar square. 1 by 2 m v bar square is called kinetic energy. So now we are find out the average total energy. Average total energy is equal to number of moles into kinetic energy. What is average total energy is defined capital E is equal to number of moles into kinetic energy. So I written here E is equal to n into 1 by 2 m v bar square. So here is present n 1 by 2 m v bar square. So directly I put the value is E. This factor is replaced by capital E. So I got PV is equal to 2 by 3 into, we got PV is equal to 2 by 3 into E. So now we know that ideal gas equation PV is equal to n kBT. So I written here PV is equal to n kBT is equal to 2 by 3. You just put the value of PV. PV is equal to n kBT. So I put here n kBT is equal to 2 by 3 E. So therefore E is equal to, you got, we have find out average total energy. So average total energy is equal to 3 by 2 n kBT. What is n? N is defined number of moles. What is kB? What is kB? Yes. In last lecture we have discussed the kB's value. Value is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 Newton per Kelvin, and T is called temperature. So you now or average total energy per molecules. Average total energy per molecules is equal to 3 by 2 kB is equal to 3 by 2 kB. You got this two equation. Which one? This one. Okay. So next we have discussed the last point, law of equipartition of energy. Law of equipartition of energy. So same as it is, when your 1 mole is present in the gas and it's having momentum in XYZ plane. This is a 3-dimensional coordinate system. So obviously kinetic energy is depend on along x-axis, along y-axis and along z-axis. So I written here kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m vx square plus 1 by 2 m vy square plus 1 by 2 m vz square. So now we have find out average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy is given by this sign is defined average kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2. This bracket is defined average kinetic energy. This bracket. So I written 1 by 2 m vx square plus 1 by 2 m vy square plus 1 by 2 m vz square. So now, and you know that this one, average total energy per moles is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. Equation number 1. Okay, from this one. This is I written here directly. So since when your molecules not perform XYZ direction, when your molecule is not perform XYZ direction, then kinetic energy of x-axis along z-axis and along y-axis is same. So I written here 1 by 2 m vx square is equal to 1 by 2 m vy square is equal to 1 by 2 m vz square. These are the equal. Why? Because your molecule not perform XYZ direction. So you got these are the equal. So you got when these are equal, then you got average kinetic energy is equal to 3 average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy is equal to 3. When you add this, then you got 3 1 by 2 m v square. So 1 by 2 m v square is called kinetic energy. So I directly have written average kinetic energy is equal to 3 average kinetic energy. So now combine equation 1 and 2. So this is average kinetic energy, this is also average kinetic energy. So I combine this two equation. So you got 3 average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 ABT, 3 cancel. So you got the last expression, average kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 AB is equal to 1 by 2 AB. This is your law of equipartition of energy. Okay, today we are stop here. I hope you understood these 3 points. Which one? First is root mean square speed. Second is interpretation of temperature in kinetic energy, and the last one is law of equipartition of energy. So thank you.